My name is Maxell. My students call me Max. I believe learning English should be interactive and fun. I have 10 years experience of teaching private classes as well as 4 years experience of teaching English online. I like to change and alter my classes to my students' needs. So if you are an older student and you enjoy topics such as planets and space, we can then speak about topics that interest you. Learning a language can be tricky and a bit difficult. So I like my classes to be fun, involved, and also to allow the student to be comfortable with speaking about topics that they want to know and learn more about. Besides my 10 years teaching experience and my 4 years online, I have a degree in English, language, and literature. I have also written and published 3 books. So I am an author. My 4th book will be released in 2022. I enjoy teaching children from 2 years old to adults. Depending on the different people that I teach English to, the classes and the materials will change. So I will look at your strengths and your weaknesses and change the materials according to what you would like to focus on. For example, children should have fun classrooms. Young children should be entertained, and a lot of props should be used to keep them involved in the lesson. Do the children like singing la 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 la, or do they like to read books and speak about animals? We will concentrate on the pronunciation of the words as well as the sentence structure and the grammar. For adults, I have lots of different topics and materials. If you contact me and tell me what you would like to learn, we can start studying English today. I hope to hear from you soon.